Let's try to check naman kung tama or mali yung mga sagot nyo dun sa error identification natin ng isang araw. The report he wrote was more thorough than the accounting manager, providing clearer insights. So yung tamang sagot dito is accounting manager. Makikita natin dito na may faulty comparison na naganap. Take note na yung kinukumpara natin is yung report na ginawa ng he na mas thorough kesa sa accounting manager. So medyo dito may confusion na mangyayari kasi sino yung ikukumpara sa report? Yung accounting manager? Hindi naman, di ba? So dapat gawin natin tong possessive. Instead, yung magiging sentence natin is, the report he wrote was more thorough than the report of the accounting manager. Or pwede rin naman, the report he wrote was more thorough than the accounting manager's report. So, kahit ano naman dyan, basta yung importante lang is walang mali, maging balance yung comparison, and at the same time, maging grammatically correct din siya.